mainly for its colonial past, might now rival Lightning Ridge as the epicenter of the global opal trade. Now let's put this into perspective. Jamaica's economy today is heavily reliant on three pillars: tourism, bauxite and alumina exports, and remittances sent home from Jamaicans living abroad. Together, these generate around $17 billion annually. That might sound decent, but in the global picture it leaves Jamaica vulnerable. A hurricane can cripple tourism. Falling aluminum prices can gut revenues. And remittances depend on the economic health of other countries. Now imagine adding a resource worth $2 trillion into that mix. That's the equivalent of dropping a financial atomic bomb into Jamaica's economy. Spread across the island's roughly 3 million people, the potential wealth could reach hundreds of thousands of dollars per citizen. Other nations show us just how game-changing such discoveries can be. Guyana